Welcome back, everybody. So it is the last day of May, at least the day that I am filming this, and I've gone a complete month without uploading a video, which is the longest I've gone since I started my channel. And I apologize for that. Thank you for those of you who are looking into, to make sure that I'm okay. I'm fine. It's just been one heck of a month. Very busy, very hectic, and we did a little vacation in the middle of it. So that's where I've been. But I am back now. And I couldn't let the month go by without thanking my patrons. I mean, we haven't done a video, so I couldn't put up my usual patron thank you at the end of the video. So I thought, why don't we just go back to doing our giveaway format? So this month, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And as usual with those giveaway videos, I'm going to thank my patrons in person. At least those that have stuck with me in May and hopefully haven't been so disappointed with me and my lack of videos lately. But anyway, I did want to give a big special shout out to those who help support the channel, including Allison Waldron, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Fredrickson, Glenn K, H. Sylvester, Halloween Heathen, Heather St. John, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Keaton, Kip and Jace, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Stephanie Schrutek, and Teara. Thank you all again so much for supporting the channel. If anyone else is interested in doing that, you can check out the link below. And as usual on these giveaway videos, when I thank my patrons, I also like to showcase their YouTube channels for those of you who are patrons and have YouTube channels. So let's go ahead, pop open the computer here and see what they are up to. Okay, well, first up here we have Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. Now, since last Halloween, he's done some Christmas videos, but I guess since it's been a while, we'll just take a quick peek throughout his channel here. Check out his About page, which says, "Welcome to Roosevelt Hills Cemetery in Manville, New Jersey. This channel is a glimpse of what our Halloween and Christmas yard display my wife and I put on every year. All for a non-profit animal shelter in the local area, plus some random videos of Lemec's spooky town buildings in our collection. The haunt community is such a great thing, and I'd love to get ideas from you, so please like and subscribe and comment on some things here so we can check out what you're doing. Remember to always keep it real." So again, on his videos, we can see his haunt from the previous years, his Lemec's, as he pointed out. He's got quite the selection there. But lately, we looked at some Christmas window displays, how to set up a luminary, it looks like, and then what appears to be some band videos, which I haven't had a chance to look at, but I might have to give that a shot here soon. Next up, we have Halloween Heathen. Now, don't think he's had anything new since the last time we checked in. But let's see, it's all things Halloween reviews, hauls, DIYs, stories, and more. And just quick peek at some of his videos here. Just basically talking about Halloween. He's got his hauls, some products, and he's fun to listen to. Really like his channel. Spooky Bev hasn't uploaded much for a while now. But if you wanted to check out her old videos, let's see, what is her About page again? "Hello, fellow creeps. If you like dark humor, Halloween, and spooky things, we can be friends." Again, her videos, just some Halloween vlogs and things. It's always fun to explore Halloween all year round. So even though some of these videos are a little old, we need to check them out to get in that Halloween spirit. Fredrickson here is in the Halloween spirit year round as well. Her channel says, "A home haunter, thank you for watching." Pretty simple and easy. Not like her videos and crafting, which is way beyond simple and easy. They're fantastic and wonderful, and uber creepy and fantastical. And she's got some amazing production quality in her videos. Things like here's a Frankenstein prop build. Actually, I think these last couple of months we haven't seen on the channel here yet, but making some Halloween props for space and other worlds themes, and making our mad scientist prop. Next up, we have Skull Crane Entertainment. His About page says, animatronic demonstrations, haunt walkthroughs, store tours, setup videos, and more. Subscribe for daily animatronic vlogs and videos. All right, well, let's see. Gosh, I admire those people who can do daily or close to daily videos. But look at all of the wonderful animatronic things that we can watch on the Skull Crane Entertainment channel. And of course, he has his own website as well, where they sell animatronics and you can get them fixed and whatnot. So be sure to check that out as well. But his recent videos here is a Spirit Halloween Bloody Bag of Jokes clown. All right, I have to see what this is about. Let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, well that looks fun. Be sure to check out his channel if you want to see the rest of that. If inflatables are more your thing, we have Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy's channel. Checking out his about, hi, my name is Josh and I love inflatables, tractors, and seeing fish, so check out my channel, thanks. Check out his website too, and there's the link if you want to do that. But if you ever want to know anything about an inflatable, you can surely find it on his channel. Whoops. I don't know how many videos he's got up here, but it's got to be hundreds and hundreds, many hundreds. But every sort of inflatable, he has so many, it's insane, and you can watch his display videos as well, where he showcases them, but he does these individual videos as well. Very entertaining, and it's just amazing to see everything that's out there, in addition to the ones in his collection. All right, I hope I didn't miss any Patron channels. If so, be sure to let me know. And I hope you check out some of their videos. So I guess that brings us to what you're all waiting for, and that is, of course, this month's giveaway. Well, I shouldn't say this month's, because we don't do it on a monthly basis anymore. We used to, but now I just kind of like to keep it more spontaneous, and it's been a while since we've done one, so let's go ahead and do that now. All right. This month, we are going to be giving away a box of goodies. It's not Gobble. I do use Gobble. If Gobble wants to sponsor me, I will use their boxes more often, Gobble. But you're not getting Gobble. You're getting the fun stuff from my Gobble box, including, let's see, where should we start? All right. Now, all this stuff pretty much is used. So just to kind of like give you an example, here is one of the inflatables that we did a review on last year. I didn't actually put him in my display. We unboxed him, did a review, and he's been boxed up ever since. So we're going to be giving away this little ghost inflatable, and he hangs. So he doesn't sit on the ground. He actually hangs from some string. And of course, if you want to see what that looks like exactly, you can check out my video from last year. All right. We've got this cute little guy. He is just a little ghost figurine. He says boo. And he is glittery, so I need to get him out of my house and put him in yours. All right. Here we've got a fun little basket. So it's got a little pumpkin man on it. Probably was a contender for Ugly Pumpkin of the Month when I used to go to the Goodwill stores and actually buy the products. Now most of the time we just look at them and comment in the stores. But I don't think I've ever actually used this in display. It's a little country, a little cutesy. It's got little buttons on it and whatnot. But, you know, maybe you'll like that a little bit more than me. All right, we're going to be giving away a lantern with a sugar skull on it. Now, I bought a bunch of these from a Halloween display last year when I did the sugar skulls. Don't think I used this one. I ended up buying a bunch of them that had colored sugar skulls, and some of them were black and white. And they were like $5 at the Dollar Tree, now that the Dollar Tree sells those $3 and $5 things. So I bought a bunch of them. I don't recall if I put them all out or not. I don't think I did, because I was so excited to see them. I just bought a whole bunch before I even had a thing to use them for. All right. These guys are kind of fun, I think. I think I bought these to do a review, or maybe someone sent them to me. If you sent these to me, I apologize. I'm giving them away just because I've been cleaning out my closet. I haven't even finished putting away everything from last year's Halloween. It's all just still in the basement. Some of you know I'm remodeling my house, and The basement is just a torn up big wreck. My Halloween stuff from last year is just kind of put in the main room there, and I've just never put it in the storage room. So anyway, trying to get rid of some stuff just to make some space so I can gather more stuff this year, I guess. But these guys are Zombies Grow a Zombie. And it says zombie croissant. I don't know why it says that. But you're supposed to just add water, put them in water. There's a little thing on the back that kind of shows you after 72 hours it is supposed to grow. I think I saw it on here. Where did it say? 600%. So I guess that should be a lot bigger than this. But these things never work. So whoever wins this, you got to try. I'm a little disappointed. I was going to do a video, but then I'm like, I don't have time. I've got better things to video, hopefully soon. So these will be yours. Let me know how they work. So got a couple of zombie guys there. Here is another little sort of country witch. I say country because it's got this like raffia or whatever it is on it. But it's a little witch with a little black cat. Just kind of a little wall hanging or door hanger or whatever. Oh, I didn't even notice. This little bit up here says Happy Halloween. And I don't think I've ever put it up. That's a lie. I think I hung it on a door in one party that I had like maybe 10 years ago. And it has been just sitting in my closet ever since. So I think it's time to let it go. All right. Here we're going to get not one, but two witch signs. So this one says Black Cats, a fly-by-night group. And this one is just Happy Halloween. So they're just the Dollar Tree things. Every year Dollar Tree puts out so many of these things, so I figure I can let a couple of these go and stock up again this year on something that might be a little more apropos, because I'm not doing witches this year. As many of you know now, I'm going to try and do a vampire theme this year. All right, here we have a zombie family, and it is these cute little, you know how people put those stickers on the back of their car with the man and woman and kids and whatnot. Anyway, Tom would not ever let me put these on my car because he's very protective of it and the, I guess the film that we put on the windows and whatnot. So it's going to be yours if you want. And you can put your cute little zombie dog or your zombie cat or your little zombie baby on there. Have a good time. All right. And then the last thing that we're going to be giving away is yet another inflatable. All right. Oh, I didn't realize I'm giving away two hanging inflatables. So this is the other hanging inflatable. Again, we just opened it to do a review last year. And he's some sort of weird bee style, vampire style. Oh, I guess I probably should have kept this one. It's got vampire wings. But he's a monster. And I just don't see him fitting into my display. I gave a couple of these, well, actually I gave a bunch of this stuff away last year. But then I gave some of it to people in the neighborhood, and I don't know. I got to get rid of some of this stuff. This stuff takes up too much room. I guess my point being was, if you don't like it, give it to your neighbor. Let them decorate for Halloween with it. Maybe get other people in your neighborhood inspired. But that was the last thing in my box there. So hopefully you're a little inspired to join our contest. We're going to do a live giveaway again this month, which will actually be next month, which by the time you're watching this will be this month. We'll say, oh gosh, I got to look at my calendar. You know what, we're going to do it in about a week. So we're going to do this on Thursday, the 9th of June. At, I think we do it 9 p.m. Eastern. You don't need to be present at the live drawing to win, but it's a lot more fun if you are there, because we're going to pull out a clue game. I've got a great one that I've had wrapped up here. I've been dying to do a video on it. So now it'll give me an excuse. I got to get it done ASAP, because we're going to play with a fun version of Clue. You're going to have to stay tuned to see what it is. And I guess that's it. So in order to enter, you have to leave me a comment below. Since, of course, we are playing with a clue game, We're going to make the question clue related this month. You need to leave me a comment below and let me know who is your favorite clue character, whether it's one of the classic 6, and if you don't know who they are, that's very disappointing to me. You could check out my other website, theartofmurder.com, where I do all things clue. But of course we have Miss Scarlet, Colonel Mustard, Mrs. White, who they killed off and is now a Dr. Orchid. I'm not a fan of that. To me, it'll always be Mrs. White. And then Mr. Green, Mrs. Peacock, and Professor Plum, or any of the myriad other characters that inhabit the Clue universe, which hopefully, if you've been watching my videos, you've seen in a bunch of my other Clue game giveaway things. But anyway, so leave me a comment by noon on the 9th. Who's your favorite Clue character? That'll get you entered for the drawing of all of this wonderful junk. And if you win, it'll all be yours. So till next time, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.